Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is still a special video because the cat, it's morning now, see? Guys, and there's the cat. Cat, shh. Guys, I don't know if you could see the cat. There. Guys, so, cat's out. So yeah. The cat's outside, just, I don't know. But last night it wasn't there because it has its own house somewhere. It's very close to this house. So yeah. No! Don't be. Okay. It's gonna be up here. We have some putty. We have Crazy Aaron's Stinky Putty. That's what I really want. That's what, guys, I was showing you. It's magnetic. Blue magnetic. Let's see right here. Tidal Wave. Crazy Aaron's Stinking Putty. Super magnetic tidal wave. So yeah. It's the putty is connecting to it right now. So it's hard to take out. And see there's it. And then there's the magnet. I'm not gonna put it up that close to the camera. And here's the putty. So yeah, it says you can scratch it, stretch it, and then tail it. See? How do I tail it? I'm just gonna flatten it. Okay, you guys say tail or dang. That was tail it there, and also pop it. Oh, what, like when you stretch it, it kind of pops like that. So. Scrub it? What's scrub it? Tear it, scratch it, bounce it. I'm gonna make it into a ball. Oh, it is bouncy. And it never dries out. Oh no, it touched everything. It's on the floor. It's hard to clean on the floor, so I would recommend not to put it on the floor. And guys, you could buy this in vat19.com. I am not sponsored by them. Just telling you where you could buy it. It's a mustache. Okay. Okay, yeah. Let's put it on the magnet. There. There, it's on the magnet. So guys, we'll just put it in upside down. Oh, daily. And close it. And guys, this Crazy Aaron is tidal wave. Right here, tidal wave. And it's backwards for you guys, but it's right way for me. So yeah. I wonder if the cat's still there. Okay, bye.